Cuba and its instrumentalities were the most culpable. I mean, so you're going to go after the private entities because that's where the money is, but maybe Congress and the executive weren't as concerned about the sovereign immunity question when they were talking about Cuba.
Right, but the question isn't Cuba's culpability, as the argument has shown. What Congress was interested in was deterring trade and transactions with Cuba. And if you look at the findings, 6081, 5, 6, 7, 11, it's all about deterring third countries from entering into joint ventures, entering into trade with Cuba. And so that's what, but I don't think in any event you
Because it didn't want Cuba to continue to profiteer and make money off of the property that it had expropriated.
Correct.
Yeah.
But that says nothing about sovereign immunity.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not fighting with you about that point. I'm just saying that I don't think this whole reliance on the Christopher statement to the House does that much for you. But anyway.
Well, no, I used the Christopher statement only to rebut the argument that Congress still must have thought, or that the President still thought, that there was an abrogation of immunity. The fact that Christopher never mentioned that 3 months later after they took out the exception meant that the President no longer thought there was an abrogation of immunity and therefore didn't argue against it at that point.
Just to be clear where we stand,